Mastering English Collocations, Adverbial Mastery. Hello everyone, and welcome to another episode in our Advanced Vocabulary series. Today, we're diving deep into the world of adverbs and collocations, specifically the common mistakes we often make when using them together. As always, I encourage you to practice these concepts as we go along. Ready? Let's jump right in. Before we tackle adverbs and their role in collocations, let's understand what collocations are. In simple terms, a collocation is a combination of words that often go together in the English language. They are pairs or groups of words that are usually found together because they sound right to native English speakers. For instance, brush your teeth or fast food. Why should we care about collocations? Well, collocations are vital because they allow you to sound more natural and fluent in English. By using collocations correctly, you'll be able to communicate more effectively and accurately. Remember, in English, it's not always about the individual words, but how they fit together in a phrase or sentence. Now let's talk about adverbs and their role in collocations. Adverbs are words that modify verbs, adjectives, or other adverbs, often giving us more information about how, when, where, or to what extent something happens. For instance, speak softly, work quickly, or very tall. When used in collocations, adverbs can significantly influence the meaning of the phrase, and therefore, using the correct adverb is crucial. It's not uncommon for learners to misuse adverbs within collocations, leading to awkward or incorrect English. For example, in English, we say, highly likely, not strongly likely. The choice of adverb in a collocation is typically fixed, and using a different adverb can change the meaning or sound unnatural. Avoiding such mistakes will help you communicate more effectively and sound more native-like in your speech and writing. Thank you for joining us in this exploration of adverbs and collocations. Remember, collocations help us sound more natural in English, and using the correct adverb is essential to maintain the right meaning. Keep practicing, and don't be afraid to make mistakes. It's all part of the learning process. Until next time, happy studying!